Guys, if you're into Xiaomi smartphones, I have a good news for you. This is the brand new Xiaomi 15T Pro, and the good news is Xiaomi is bringing 5x telephoto camera. So let's talk about it. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So like I said just now, the good news, now this brand new upcoming Xiaomi 15T Pro will have flagship level camera with 5x telephoto and also Leica collaboration. So if you are looking for specs, I will include in the video, but because I'm so excited about using this camera, I'm telling you about the camera straight away. So this one has Leica Sumilux experience because it has the Sumilux lens, and that also means you can choose the Leica kind of grey color and also other preset filters. Now, when it comes to telephoto, it is quite amazing because we can achieve something like ultra wide and then 1x and then 2x and 5x optical up to 10x optical grade quality zoom. So as you can see, the photos look amazing. So if you are someone who is into architecture photography, traveling, taking pictures of buildings, so this one is great for you because it can go up to 100 times ultra zoom with AI enhancement. So just in case the digital zoom is a little bit blurrish, don't worry because AI will help you to enhance your photo to make them look sharp and clear. So here are a few more photos that I took in KL recently to share with you, But one tip I also want to tell you is when you take photos, it's great to lower the exposure because now we can actually tap on this screen to lower the exposure because the sun is actually quite bright, and if you don't do it, the camera tends to be a little bit bright, which is not to my liking, I prefer high contrast photos, hence I usually will pull down the exposure to increase the shadows. So what do you think of the zoom photos? Because flagship telephoto zoom like this usually is only available on flagship devices like the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or the iPhone 16 Pro Max or the iPhone 17 Pro Max, but now you don't have to spend so much money, but with Xiaomi 15T Pro, you will get the same kind of camera. With great camera and telephoto like this, it's also great for street photography and also portrait photos. So on portrait photos, there are multiple focal length, for example, 23mm, 46mm, 75mm, and also 115mm. And other than this focal length, we can also kind of change the bokeh vibe in case you prefer the bokeh to be like more blurry or you want it to be like more defined. You can do all that with the camera UI in this Xiaomi 15T Pro. And just in case you are not aware, when it comes to street photography, I actually prefer shooting photos in black and white. So here, there is this Leica black and white high contrast filter that mimics the Leica camera, and I realized that it looks exactly the same as the Leica cameras that I own. Now, if you're into street photography just like me, there is this feature which is amazing. It's called fast shot mode. Basically, it allows you to take photo even with the screen is off. All you need to do is just double press the volume button and then the camera will turn on, it will capture the photo and then you are good to go, But of course, before that, you can set first what focal range you want. For example, now I set it to 50 and then I can lock the phone. And then when I see a subject, I can double press the volume, enable fast shot, take the photo and go. Now video wise, it is also not liking it can shoot up to 8K 30 frames per second, or if you want to do 120 frames or 60 frames, you can shoot up to 4K. Now that we're done with the camera, let's talk about the hardware and also the specs. The Xiaomi 15T Pro is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus and has a 6.83-inch 1.5K display with up to 3200 nits peak brightness, the largest screen ever on the Xiaomi T series, and also 27% thinner bezel, and that also means with a smaller body, you will still get a very big screen. For battery wise, it has 5500 mAh battery size and water resistant and dust resistant with IP rating IP68. Now, Xiaomi promises 6 years of security update and also 5 years of firmware upgrade. So that's great news as well. Okay, now that I have shared with you what I like and also the good news about this brand new Xiaomi 15T Pro, and the next step is, you decide you want to buy and you want to know the price, right? Where to buy? Okay, let me share with you now. You can get it from any Xiaomi store or mi.com with pre-order promotion. For the Xiaomi 15T Pro, 12GB plus 1TB is 3499, 12GB plus 512 is 2999, and 12GB plus 256 is 2699. There is pre-order promotion until 2nd October. So what you will get in this promotion? So if you pay deposit of 200 ringgit, you get 200 ringgit off on payment balance, and the free gift includes Xiaomi Watch S4 worth 699 ringgit, and purchase with purchase 100 ringgit off for
Redmi Pad 2 Pro.
And there are also other digital benefits totaling up to around 2,099 ringgit. Okay, so hopefully you will be able to make decision on which color to buy, whether to get this phone or not, when to buy, and also looking forward to receiving the benefits after you pre-order, okay? So if you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, share this with your friends, and also follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!